Have you ever wondered what actually happens to your body when you stop eating for 16 hours? Is it just hunger? Or is something revolutionary happening inside? Welcome back! Today we're diving deep into the science of intermittent fasting, the simple strategy that's changing how we think about health and weight loss. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat, giving your body a much-needed break to repair. The most popular approach is the 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. But why does this work so well? It starts with your hormones. When you fast, your insulin levels drop. This is the master switch that tells your body to stop storing energy and start using it. Your body usually burns glucose from your last meal. But when that's gone, your body flips the switch to fat-burning mode, using your stored body fat for fuel. This metabolic flexibility is why so many people see sustainable weight loss without feeling like you're starving. You're finally accessing those fat reserves. And it's not just about your waistline. Your brain loves fasting. In the absence of sugar, your liver produces ketones, a superfuel that provides steady, focused energy. Say goodbye to that 3 p.m. brain fog. With ketones, you get a clean burn of energy that keeps your mind sharp and your mood stable all day long. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon of fasting, autophagy. This is your body's internal recycling program, where it cleans out damaged cells. By recycling old proteins and clearing out cellular junk, your body literally repairs itself from the inside out, supporting longevity and a stronger immune system. It's like taking out the trash at a cellular level. Without the constant work of digestion, your body can finally focus on this essential maintenance. Fasting also helps stabilize your blood sugar. Instead of riding the roller coaster of spikes and crashes from constant snacking, you maintain a steady baseline. This improves your insulin sensitivity, making your body more efficient at processing food when you do eat. It's a game changer for metabolic health. Beyond the biology, let's talk about lifestyle. Think about the time you save not worrying about breakfast or prepping 6 small meals a day. It's liberating. Intermittent fasting simplifies your day and reduces decision fatigue. You have more time to focus on what matters, while your body does its best work. But wait, it's not a free pass to eat anything. A common mistake is using your eating window as an excuse to load up on ultra-processed junk food. Another big one? Dehydration. Many people forget that you need more water and electrolytes while fasting. Don't let your energy dip because you're thirsty. Don't be too aggressive too fast. Jumping into a 24-hour fast on day 1 is a recipe for failure. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Listen to your body's signals. Ready to start? Begin with a simple 12-12. Stop eating after dinner and don't eat again until breakfast 12 hours later. Most of this happens while you sleep. Once that feels easy, push it to 14 hours. Maybe you skip that late-night snack or push breakfast back just 2 hours. You're building that fasting muscle. Finally, aim for the 16-8 gold standard. This is where the magic really happens. Consistency is much more important than perfection, so find a rhythm that sticks. You've got this. Start small, be patient, and let your body adapt to its natural metabolic state. The benefits are waiting for you on the other side. I want to hear from you. Comment fasting below if you're ready to start your journey today. Let's support each other in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. I'm Lola, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy.